Today in the grain markets, soybeans falls over 20 cents. Commercials are holding a record short position, and at some point or other, you knew that the market was going to start to come back a little bit. Now today is a holiday, and so with low volume, this sometimes lends itself for more wider ranges and perhaps adding some pressure onto the market. And I think that it just gave it a little more momentum than we expected, actually. And so the market was pretty low. Let's see what happens tomorrow to see if it continues to move into more of a corrective state. We have been overbought for quite a while, but with over 700,000 contracts short for commercials, at some point in time, they would have their way with the market. Corn did retreat as well. I think the softer holiday market did pressure the futures, and we're in the middle of harvest right now, so that would almost lend itself to some of the markets having somewhat of a pullback. And we knew that a correction was inevitable, so that's kind of what we're seeing today, even though it is a holiday. So we all bets are off until really tomorrow. And of course, we have digested the USDA report, so everyone's starting to figure out exactly where we go from here. I think that this might dictate a little bit of market direction really for the next few days or so. Wheat was also lower. The US dollar has been firm. It's up a little bit, and the stimulus talks have kind of stalled, and those kind of things really will have an impact on our markets as well. With a slow holiday market, and it kind of gave way to a sell-off across the board. So wheat, corn, soybeans, Kansas City wheat, everything was lower across the board. We'll have a reset for tomorrow and see if we're going to have a continuum of that, if the trend is actually changing. One day doesn't necessarily make a trend, but it could give way or let you know that the underlying support might be not as much as we had expected.